Hi guys, this is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been showcasing this great little plugin. It's called Elementor Master Add-ons, and it's a fantastic addition to the Elementor free plugin. It'll also work perfectly well with the pro version. We've been doing these sort of animated text and flip boxes and things. Today we're going to do these great little progress bars down here. I guess if I refresh the page you'll be able to see them in action. There we go, and that's a nice little feature to have on your site. Really easy to do too. So let's get started. I've got the page open with Elementor here, and here's our little matrix. Here's all the widgets you get with the free version of Elementor. Here are the pro ones. We're using the free version today. I haven't got the pro installed, but if we go all the way down, here's our master add-ons, and as you can see there's plenty of them. And I'm going to be using the progress bars today. Here we are right here. So let's delete this section and start from scratch. I'm simply going to add, left click and drag the progress bars over to where I want it, which is right here. And as you can see, it's already put in some for us there. For expediency, I'll leave those as they are and we'll just add another one, for example. Just click on it, put your title in right here. Now while we're in here, you can change the percentage value to whatever makes sense to you. Change the bar color, obviously. Make mine red today. You can have them all different colors if you want to. I'm going to copy that and make all mine the same color. Control C to copy. Go into the one you want to change and simply paste it in there. We'll do the other two as well while we're there. Control V to paste. Okay, that's great. So presuming we've got all the ones we want here, let's just move on to our style tab. We've got bar spacing, bar background color. Background color is the background that is behind the actual percentage. If I change it, you'll be able to see. Let's make it black. I think I'm going to change mine to white because I'm going to change the background color. Great, and the bar height and spacing you can do here. I'm happy with the spacing, but I might bring that height up so they're a reasonable sort of size. Now we've got slight corners on there. If you want them completely square, just put 0 in there. You can do each corner individually if you want by checking that, unchecking that, and you can get some weird shapes. Or if you want completely round corners, give it a high value like 50, and you've got round bar counters there. But I'm happy with mine to be just like that. Okay, well we can change our title too. I'm going to make mine white because I'm going to have a different background for the section they're sitting in. Kind of lost them on the background there, but I'm happy with everything there for the time being. Don't need to do anything here in the advanced. I'm happy with all that. You can change your margins and paddings, etc. But like I say, that works for me at the moment. So let's go into our section, the blue tab. Going to go over to style, just give it a dark gradient background. For my top color, let's grab a sort of fairly dark grey, and for the bottom let's make that black perhaps, or fairly close. There we go. Everything stands out nicely there. Now let's just update and preview our changes. Now let's go down and take a look. And there we are. There's our little progress bars. That's a great little feature to have on your site. That's going to make people look at it as soon as it appears there and scrolls up. Really easy to do. Like I say, I've been using the Elementor Master Add-ons plugins for this today. You'll find my affiliate link below the video. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.